Hey friends, if you wish to fix your other issue, the error where your printer has experienced an unexpected configuration problem, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the printer troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane and then select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. The next solution is to update your printer driver. How would you update your printer driver? Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list of print queues and then update each and every single driver in it. And the last one is to reconnect the printer. So disconnect the printer, reconnect it, and then reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.